Okay, let's talk about the big income tax changes hitting India in 2026. The big question is, will your salary be affected? The short answer? Yep. Let's break it down. So on April 1st, 2016, the old 1961 Act is out. This means new rules for everything. First up, your house rent allowance, or HRA. If you claim it, you'll want to hear this. Good news for some, the metro cities list is doubling, adding 4 major hubs. So if you live in any of these 8 cities, you can now claim a higher HRA exemption. But, and this is a big one, this perk is only for folks still in the old tax regime. All right, let's move on to perquisites. We're talking company cars and interest-free loans. Heads up, the taxable value for company cars is going up. This table breaks it all down. Now, what's really interesting is the update for those interest-free loans from your job. You know how the old tax-free limit was just 20,000 rupees? Well, get this. It's jumping all the way up to 2 lakh rupees, a massive change. And don't sweat the math. Smart payroll systems will handle all these calculations automatically for you. Finally, they're trying to simplify things. So, get ready for some new names and numbers. Your old friend, Form 16, it's now going to be called Form 130. And Form 12BB, the one you use for declarations, is changing over to Form 12.4. Even the section numbers are getting shuffled. For salary TDS, think Section 392, not 192. Phew, okay, that was a lot. Here's a quick recap of the 4 key things to remember. And a quick reminder, these new forms will be for salaries paid from April 2026. These changes are just around the corner, which leaves us with one really important question.